Welcome to the guideWELD VR Getting Started tutorial. Today we're going to begin by identifying the items that you should have received with your guideWELD VR unit. Upon unboxing, what you will find is a guideWELD VR base unit, a pair of welding gloves, 3 welding joint types, a T-joint, lap joint, and butt joint. You will find either a MIG gun or a stick, rod holder, and electrode, or both. There'll be a USB cable to connect the base unit to your computer, a power cable for the base unit as well. You will also find a quick start guide to assist you in getting that first time set up, and a green sheet of paper that will have a direct link where you can go download the guideWELD VR software, additional user guides, and your curriculum.